Hello，大家好，欢迎来到小川的直播间。然后我现在呢身在西班牙一个叫 Mucia 的地方，这里是后面的这个呢就是大教堂了。It looks like a really big cathedral.
It's, well, they say that it has been built.
Oh, I like the music. But casino in China, casino it looks like gambling.
Yes, but it's actually there are no gambling place now. This is the toilet in the city.
Wow. Not a toilet.
Yes, now it was a toilet. It was a toilet for ladies.
Because Macau, you know Macau in
Yes.
China, they have a lot of casino, right? Oh, I'm surprised it's very nice place to visit. Marry here?
Yes.
Oh, it looks like
got married in a church, and then they came here to
and eat a dinner here, right?
Yes. Yeah, there's not rich people enough to be here, but it's here the businessmen, this is the dancing, the salon de baile.
Oh, for dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, there is a piano. Yeah.
She's 19.
And started here, right?
We start here.
Oh. There are some books in the second store.
City in Spain.
Casino is
an old casino like.
Oh, I really like the design of these buildings.
To have the aperitivo, for having a beer, for having tapas.
But what was this building? This is plaza.
It was the offices of La Unión y el Fénix, that is this. Very famous actor.
A theater. So the designer in Spain, it must be really good.
This same street, but in the other side of the street.
Oh, the design is so nice. Oh, the dome. It's very nice. I guess it's a government.
This is school.
School, really.